Everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Atreja. Student, in this video we are going to discuss how is the fat digestive substances absorbed in our body. Fat digestive substances are fatty acids and monoglycerides. One more substance is glycerol, is also obtained by fat digestion. But how is glycerol absorbed in our body? We already discussed in previous lecture. So here we consider only the absorption of fatty acids and monoglycerides, as both these molecules are hydrophobic in nature. Both these substances are absorbed with the help of bile salts present into the bile juice. What is the structure of bile salt? Bile salts consist of hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. What happens when absorption of fatty acids and monoglycerides takes place? These fatty acids or monoglycerides get surrounded by the bile salts. How is the bile salts surrounds the fatty acids or monoglyceride molecules? Their hydrophilic head is present towards the outer surface and tail is present towards the inner surface. This hydrophilic head is present towards the outer surface and hydrophobic tail is present towards the inner surface. In this way, the molecule formed is known as the micelles. How is micelles formed? In the center, fatty acids or monoglyceride fat is present, surrounded by the bile salt. Hydrophilic head of bile salt is present towards the outer surface and hydrophobic tail is present towards the inner surface. In this way, the structure formed is known as the micelles. These micelles enter into the intestinal mucosa cell. How it enter inside the intestinal mucosa cell? This is the inner mucosa of small intestine, and this is the structure of villus. What is present here is the brush border epithelial cells. These micelles are enter inside this by the process of pinocytosis, and these micelles come into the intestinal mucosa cell. When it enters into the mucosa cell, what happens next? Bile salts are removed. After removal of the bile salts, what happens next? These fatty acids or monoglycerides are surrounded by a layer of protein. This protein layer is secreted by the Golgi body, and now this particle is known as the chylomicrons. In the center of the villus, in the submucosa layer, this is the submucosa layer, there is present the lymph capillaries. These chylomicrons, by the process of exocytosis, release into the submucosa layer. And from this submucosa layer, chylomicron enter inside the lymph capillaries. These chylomicrons are milky in appearance and they provide the milky color to the lymph capillaries. That's why we call the lymph capillaries as lacteals, because of their milky appearance. Milky appearance was provided by the chylomicron. Chylomicrons are milky in color. Many molecules of chylomicrons enter inside the lymph capillaries, gives its milky appearance, so we called it as lacteals. These lacteals or lymph capillaries later on open. This is the lymph capillaries. These lymph capillaries are later on open into the main blood circulation stream with the help of a blood vessel. So all the products present into the lacteals, that is the fatty acids, are released into the bloodstream. That's why we said that bile salt help in the absorption and transport of fatty substances. What happens, एक बार summarize करते हैं. First step, bile salts surrounds the fat molecule or fatty acids or monoglycerides. By this process, the structure formed in the center, fatty acids are present, surrounded by the bile salts, and the structure formed is known as the micelles. In the next step, these micelles are entered in mucosa cell by process of pinocytosis. What is pinocytosis? That is, semi-solid particles are taken by the cell. The process is known as pinocytosis. After that, bile salts are removed. Next, Golgi body secrete a protein layer around the fatty acid and chylomicrons are produced. These chylomicrons enter in submucosa layer by the process of exocytosis. Next, what happens? Inside the submucosa layer, lymph capillaries are present. So chylomicrons enter in lacteals. These lacteals open in blood vessels of circulatory system. In this way, bile salts help in absorption and transport of fat substances. I think the process is very much clear to you all. This is all about in this video. Thank you so much.